Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you so much for visiting. If you're new here, welcome. Hope you enjoy this video. Today we're making some Jamaican pepper shrimp and I'm gonna hit it with that twist. Stay tuned to see how I make this awesome goodness.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So guys, these are the ingredients that I'll be using. I will list everything that I use in the description box because along the way I did add a few bits. I'm using the black tiger shrimp and I have deveined them and just washed them lightly in vinegar, lime and water solution. Now what I did with the onions, I grated the onions and I minced the garlic. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and start seasoning my shrimp. You can put this down for about half an hour if you want to, just to let all that seasoning get into that. Now in a pan I'm using about 20 grams of unsalted butter and I'm just gonna go ahead and add my garlic. Gonna saute this off for about a couple of minutes just to get all that garlic flavor going. Now after a couple of minutes I'm gonna go and add my tomato puree. Now as I said, I will leave the exact measurements that you will need to make this dish, as I used a little bit too much tomato puree right here, but you know sometimes you squeeze and you know through your finger them big, you just squeeze out too much in the pot and you just say Lord of mercy. But yeah, just follow what I have down below and this will be good. Now I'm gonna go ahead now and add the onions, the scotch bonnet and the pimento grains. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. It's so good to have you here. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Now I'm gonna go ahead now and add my chicken bouillon cube. Now I'm using the chicken bouillon cube because I find it has a better flavor, but if you don't eat chicken you can always use a fish stock or a fish cube, or you can use a vegetable cube, or you can use stock if you wish. Now I'm gonna fry that off. Now after about 5 minutes I'm gonna add my coconut milk and I'm just gonna give this a good mix around. Like guys, look at that color already, like Now I do have a, I want to say, traditional shrimp, pepper shrimp video. I will link it right here and I will also leave it down in the description box if you want to check that out. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of water. I'd say about a quarter cup of water, just to, you know, loosen up that coconut milk and just loosen up everything to just get all those flavors going. I'm gonna go ahead and add some thyme. Now I did taste it and it was a little bit too tart from the tomato puree, so I've just added in about a tablespoon of honey just to, you know, try and balance it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some freshly chopped parsley and I'm just gonna let that cook for a little bit, just, well, for about a couple of minutes. Now we're gonna add the shrimp. Now I'm just showing you here how I just literally made it, used my scissors, cut from the tail upwards and pulled the vein out. Now I like to cook these shrimps in the shell because I think it retains them, it allows the shrimp to retain the moisture, it doesn't get dried out, and the shell does add extra flavor. Now I cook these for about 3 minutes, then I'm gonna turn them over. I'd say in total this dish will take about 8 minutes because these are quite large shrimp, and I want them to suck up all of that flavor, all of that good sauce. Now once I've turned these over, I'm just gonna cover the pot and just leave it for about 3 minutes. Now don't leave them too long because you don't want your shrimp to overcook, because they'll just get tough and rubbery, and nobody don't want that to eat. Like, you don't want to see a harder shrimp, them just dash it aside. I say, no, so that none I'm good. No, I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze about half a lemon all over the shrimp. Now guys, look at this sauce. Look at this sauce. Look here. If you haven't tried pepper shrimp this way, make sure you try it this way, because I'm telling you, you see the tomato and the coconut, you see that combination? Listen to me guys, I say all you want now is piece of bread on. Oh yes, when you dip the bread in the sauce, or better still 2 fried dumpling. Why? You know things is about to go down. So I'm just gonna go ahead now, add a little bit more scotch bonnet pepper and some more parsley. Now that was totally optional, but for me it just needed that, just a little bit help over the hill with the heat. Now if you're not a pepper lover, don't put none in there, don't put no extras in there. But if you are, and if you like it hot, add some more. Now guys, we can't make that sauce go to waste. We gotta serve this up with that sauce for those dippers, because you like some people out there who love the sauce and they just love the dip. Now there you have it guys, my Jamaican pepper shrimp with a twist. Now the twist, as you know, is that tomato and coconut combination guys. This recipe, if you're a shrimp lover, if you're a pepper shrimp lover, trust me when I tell you, try this recipe, you will not regret it. Now I've just served it up with a little lemon, for those little lemon lovers that like to love that lemon rain, just love to have that lemon all over their shrimp. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Right now I gotta show you what's going on with these shrimp. Guys, look at the juice. Look at that juice just dripping out of there. This is well flavored, all that juice. And because the way how I deveined it, when you cut it this way, the juice I was sliding through the shell there, so it just I got slipping, and whoa, listen, look at the drip, now look at this beauty right here. Like, come on guys, drop me a shrimp and a lemon emoji if you're still here with me and if you feel like you're gonna be rocking this dish. And that's that. You see that shell there? I don't think that's gonna waste, me, yeah, I'm mature. Now we're just gonna dip that in that gorgeous sauce, and my thing. Here it comes, guys. Get ready. Now look at this beauty. That's my say. Look, have a look. Yeah, baby. Yeah, boy. Like, my mouth's watering thinking about this dish again. Like, as I say, open your mouth and take a bite. Take a bite now. Yeah, bite it. Bite it. All right. Your loss. One more chance. Bite. I say, open your mouth. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for my returning viewers, my returning subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Like, look at the middle of that shrimp. Where dry shrimp I got? Not around here. Until next time guys, don't forget you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. And as usual, aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.